Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and today not only am I testing some new video recording software, I've also got you something pretty exciting to look at in QuoteWerks Web, and something that I've just been able to achieve with the new API. I've just got the QuoteWerks demo document open here. Contact selected is Aspire Technologies. Just want to point out to you, currently we have a 0 tax rate on here. And also on the custom tab, I've renamed a couple of these fields. So custom text 01 is now What3Words, custom memo 01 is now Avalara details. What I've been able to do is bind our What3Words location lookup and our Avalara tax rate lookup to the contact selection. So if we go to the contact selection screen, if I hit sold to, we get the progress bars whirring. The contact is selected, well, it was before, but anyway. If we hit bill to, again, we just get those two scroll bars whirring. Now if I hit ship to, which is obviously where I'm delivering the goods, I get these two toasts. I get the toast that my What3Words and my tax rate has been updated from Avalara. So if we go to the sale info tab, as you can see, 6.5% for Aspire's particular zip code. If we look on the custom tab, we can see that 6.5% is made up of 6% state tax and 0.5% county tax, and we've got those What3Words coming through. So using QuoteWerks Web API to call out to separate web services to get this additional information through. I'm never happy. I always want more, and one thing that I wanted to do was also open up the What3Words location on a map. Now I've got the code for this. If I open all of this up, so this time it's going to prompt the user with the What3Words location. It's going to ask them if they want to open that up in the browser, and this is the code that's going to open it up in the browser. If I just hit save there, and I'm also going to open up the more tools, developer tools, just because I want to show you what's going wrong here. This is really for the development team rather than anybody that's necessarily watching this to see what can be achieved with QuoteWerks Web API. Okay, so we've got clean there, we've got that saved. Let's go back to our workspace. Let's go back to our sold to, ship to, and let's hit that ship to button again. So as you can see, I've got my tax rate and details updated from Avalara, great. I've got the location for What3Words, that water not talking. Would I like to open this in a browser? Yes, I would, please. And it's telling me that it's about to open it. I'll just go Control C and paste that in there just to show that it is a valid URL. It should work. Then we have Aspire's offices just off Vineland Road. Going back to QuoteWerks Web, got a bit of a warning error here. If I hit OK, we're going to get a complete error, blocked opening, blah blah blah, because the request was made in a sandbox frame whose allow pop-ups permission is not set. Now I haven't looked too far into this, but I'd imagine it's security within QuoteWerks Web that's disallowing this. I will raise this as a feature request, but that's the only thing that I wanted to do in addition to what I've already achieved. If you'd like to know more about QuoteWerks Web, QuoteWerks generally, APIs, what you can achieve with QuoteWerks development, both on the desktop and now on the web version, go to our website, www.hilltopsit.co.uk. There's a number at the top. You can chat with us using the button there, or there's several email addresses and links to our social media outlets on the Contact Us page. Hope you found this video useful. I hope you've found this, what we've been able to achieve with QuoteWerks Web API, even half as exciting as I'm really looking forward to the future of QuoteWerks Web and the API, and seeing how far we can push it. This is just the phase 1 delivery of QuoteWerks Web API. The stuff that they've got in the on their workload, I'm really looking forward to getting that, and like I say, seeing how far we can push this and see how much of a better solution we can make this for QuoteWerks users worldwide.